How to find Wendy's near you and check store hours. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Wendy's page. Here, click on Find a Wendy's at the top. After you click on Find a Wendy's at the top, it will lead you to the location page. In the location page, simply enter your city, state, or zip code. After you've entered, you can simply press on search. After you press on search, it will lead you to all the available locations near you. After you find the store locations, you can simply scroll down. After you scroll down in here, you'll find where it is and you can get directions as well. Here you'll find open and closing time as well, and what are available in the store. And this is how to find Wendy's near you and check store hours. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.